naman kami nagmerienda, Tik. Tapos na. You go out. Ayun, lumabas na si Tik-Tik. Kala niya, nagmerienda na naman kami ni Miming. Tapos na. You are late. So, yun, si Miming, guys. We are here with Miming. Ito yung update namin with Miming. We are relaxing. Tapos na kami nakapag-merienda, guys. Nakapag-coffee na naman kami at saka tinapay. Tinapay. Ayun. So, yun, guys. Miming feel good na. Kasi feel busog na si Miming, guys. Sa nakikita nyo. Ayun. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Maraming salamat, everyone. Keep safe. And God bless us. See you in next again.